Hello boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. This is lesson 5-6, markup and discount for my course 3 class. Our objective is to use percent of change to find markup, discount, and selling price. We do have several vocabulary terms in this section, so let's get started on those. Okay, markup is the amount of increase in price. Okay, and the percent markup is determined by, and I'm just going to abbreviate percent markup, is equal to the amount of the markup divided by the store's cost. Okay, so this is actually a percent change. The markup is the amount of the change from the store's cost, and the store's cost is like our original amount. So it's very much related to our previous section. Selling price is the store's cost plus the markup. And remember, stores mark up prices because that's how they make their money. Okay? A discount is the amount by which the price of an item is reduced. Okay? And we find that the sale price is the regular price less the discount. Okay. Also, before I forget, if we want a percent discount, that is going to be equal to the amount of the discount divided by the regular price. Okay, so the amount of the again, which is a change, a percent change. The amount of the change means how much you're going to save. The regular price is the original amount. Okay, so you might want to review those, think about them. If you have any questions, certainly bring those in. Hopefully, perhaps, as we work through the examples, some of your questions will be answered. Okay, let's look at number 1, finding selling price. A store sells a skirt that costs the store $40 and marks up the price 25%. What is the selling price for the skirt? Okay, so first of all, we're going to find the markup, and then we're going to find the selling price. Okay. So 25% of 40 equals the markup. And you can do this with an equation, or if you prefer working with proportions, that's fine. Sometimes this is a little more efficient though. So that means that the markup is going to be $10. So $40 plus $10 is $50. So the selling price is equal to the cost of the store plus the amount of the markup of $10. So the store sells the skirt for $50. Okay. In this case, we found the markup separately from the selling price. You can also do it directly. The selling price equals 100% of the store's cost plus a markup of 25% of the store's cost. So the selling price of the skirt is 100% plus 25%, or 125% of $40. Okay, what happens here is you go straight to the selling price. You don't separately find out the cost of the markup. Okay, so 125% of $40 equals the selling price. Okay, so we're looking at two different versions or two different ways to work the same problem. So I can do 125%, which is 1.25 times 40, and that equals 50. So as we see, we still get that the skirt is being sold for $50. Okay? It doesn't really matter to me which of the two methods you prefer. Do the one that seems to make the most sense to you, or do the one that fits the question best. If you're simply looking for the selling price, the second method is fine. If you want to know the amount of the markup and the selling price, the first method is going to be perhaps the one to use. I'm going on to example number 2, and finding the sales price. A shoe store advertises a 35% off sale. What is the sale price of shoes that regularly cost $94.99? Okay, the sale price equals 100% of the regular price minus a discount of 35% of the regular price. So the sale price is 100% minus 35%, or 65% of $94.99. So 65% of $94.99 equals the sale price when they're putting it on sale. Okay, so you're going to do 0.65 times $94.99, which is $61.74. Round to the nearest cent if necessary. I probably already rounded before I wrote it, so I don't have the exact number. But when you round it, it is $61.74. Also here, you could do it like we did the markup one while ago. You could find 35% of $94.99. and then subtract that amount from $94.99. So this can be a one, like this, a little more compact problem, or you can break it into a couple of steps similar to what we did in example number 1, except rather than adding, we would be subtracting. Okay, number 3, finding regular price. You buy a CD at the price of $6. The sale price is $6. This is 25% off the regular price. Find the regular price of the CD. Okay, so the regular price minus 25% of the regular price is equal to the sale price. Okay, so let R equal the regular price. So the regular price minus 25% of the regular price is equal to 6, the selling price. Okay, so when I do this, this is like 1R minus 25.25R, and you get 0.75R. Okay, really what they've done here is they've taken 100% minus 25% and multiplied that times R, the regular selling price. So that's where you get the 0.75R. You may have questions about that. Certainly bring those in here in class, into class, and we can explain this or maybe look at it in a slightly different way. Okay. In this case now, so we have 0.75R is equal to 6. We'll divide each side by 0.75. So R, the regular price is 8. So the regular price of the CD is $8, and the correct answer choice is C. Okay. All right then. There are 3 quick checks for you to complete. Please have those ready for next time we meet in class, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.